So today we will be making a star topology using Cisco Pocket Tracer. So first we have to take one or five PC. So for my case, I'll take yeah, let's take six. Then take a switch, this switch, and then we have to uh, connect it through the wire, and we will connect them like this. And then we have to connect our last two PC with this. Then we have to configure the IP addresses using going to the each PC and clicking on the desktop icon, and also clicking on the IP configuration. Here we have to give the IP. For my case, I'll take 192.11.02. So 02. So I'm gonna copy this one because I'll be using the same IP throughout the all PCs. We're doing the same over and over again, but changing the last digit. This also, and this one. And we got our final PC. After that, we're almost done. Okay, so we're done. Let's check it out if it's working or not. Yeah, we can see it's clearly working, I guess. Yes, it's working. So that's how we make a star topology using Cisco Pocket Tracer. Thank you very much.